briefly introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Good day, mom and sir. My name is Jennifer. I am 37 years old. I am happily married with three children, ages 14 years old, 4 years old, and I have 1 year old and 8 months old baby, mom. I am from Cagayan Valley, Philippines. Um, my highest educational attainment is I am a high school graduate. I am a Roman Catholic, and my husband occupation is a security guard, and my mother is a housewife, and my father is already deceased. Um, I have 2 years experience here in the Philippines. I serve three members of the family, and I also a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 7 years and 6 months. Since 2013 until 2020, February 18, I served 10 members of the family for only one employer, ma'am.
Oh, so you
Yes,
work under
ma'am.
one
I am hard.
employer.
Yes, ma'am. Only one employer in Saudi Arabia, ma'am. So my main duties there, ma'am, is taking care of the children, ages 3 years old and 6 years old boy. And I do also the household chores like cleaning, cooking, breakfast, dinner, and meal. And also I'll do ironing, maintaining the cleanliness of the house, and I also clean the house, washing the dishes, and also I know how to take care a newborn baby mom since birth because I am a mother for three children.
Okay,
Yes,
thank
ma'am.
you. Thank you for your introductions. I want to
Yes,
know more about your work in KSA.
yes, ma'am.
Are you the only one helper in this family?
Yes, ma'am. I only one helper in the family, ma'am.
So,
For
or
10 members. Yes, ma'am. I am the only one. For long.
mhm.
Yes, ma'am. They are good to me. They treat me as a daughter. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. May I
Yes.
know how old are the kids when you start working for them when you just arrived there?
The Yes, ma'am. The toddler is 3 years old boy, and the second is 6 years old, ma'am. And the older eldest is 30 years old, 2 years gap, ma'am, and then 28 years old, and 26, 24, and 20. They are five son and three daughter. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Five sons and three daughter.
Yes, ma'am. Five son and three daughter. They are eight members and the two couple, ma'am. My baba and mama.
Okay. Can I clarify it again? When you start
Okay.
working there, how many kids they have? Five
Eight,
kids or
eight,
five
ma'am.
son
Eight.
and three
I kids three.
kids.
I two, ma'am. The kids
The
two.
kids
3 years
three.
old and 6 years old, ma'am.
Okay. So you start taking care of the 3 years old and 6 years old
Yes,
before
ma'am.
7 years. So when you leave, they are already become a teenager.
Yes, ma'am. Now they are teenagers. They still
Oh.
calling me and they are say I will come back to take care of mama and baba because they are old. But they are,
Okay.
yes, they are keeping in touch to me, ma'am.
Until now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, they
Okay.
are good, ma'am.
Will
Family.
will they
Yes.
take you back? Will they ask you to go back to take care of
Yes,
them?
ma'am. They asked me to go back, but they said if it's anytime I want to come back to them, I am welcome to come back to their
Okay.
country, ma'am.
Okay, it's very
Yes.
nice. It's a very good relationships. May I
Yes,
know why
ma'am.
you want to come Hong Kong?
I want to come to Hong Kong, ma'am, because first, high salary, and of course, I want to give the needs and for my children and for their future, ma'am, and
Mm,
for the renovation of my house.
okay,
Yes, ma'am.
very nice, and you're a good mother. But I want to know because your kid, except the 14 years old one, the other two 4 years old
Yes,
and
ma'am. 4 years
the
old and
one
one
three
year,
years
eight
old.
months, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes.
who'll be the one who take care of them if you come to Hong Kong?
My mother-in-law, ma'am, because my firstborn, my mother-in-law take my firstborn for more than 9 years when I go to Saudi Arabia, ma'am, because he when I left my son, my first son he is 1 year old, and he take
Mm.
care of my son for 9 years. My mother-in-law, ma'am, good. taking care of my babies. Yes, ma'am.
How old is your uh mother-in-law now?
My
How old?
mother-in-law now, ma'am, is 58 years old.
Oh, still young.
She's
Okay.
young. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You mentioned also you are all around and only you in KSA.
In the
How
house.
about
Yes,
your
ma'am.
employer? Lady employer, she's working outside or she stay home mom?
Uh, my madam is she is a teacher,
Mm,
primary teacher, and my baba is he what do you call this? Before she is working in Aramco, ma'am, but now he is old. That's why he is not
retired.
working. Yes, he is retired. Yes, ma'am. My
Okay.
baba retired.
Okay. So the lady employer will they go to work. So only
Yes,
you
ma'am.
at
To
home.
school.
You
Yes,
handle the
ma'am.
whole family.
Yes, ma'am. I am the one to prepare their breakfast, lunch,
Mm.
and for the dinner. I will wake up early in the morning, then I will wake up mama for 6 because she is going to school that time, ma'am. Every morning, 6 o'clock, she is wake up. If it's having school days. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what kind of dishes you cook for them? Only Middle East food, or you will cook Western food as well?
I will cook Arabic food, ma'am, like kabsa, biryani, saluna dajjal, saluna laham, like that more. Revyon, the shrimps. I'll cook also the shrimps.
How about Chinese food?
Yeah, mashkul. Mashkul revyon. For the breakfast, pasulya. I'll bake also cake, pizza for them. I'll make teas.
Oh,
Yes,
okay, so you
ma'am.
can bake. You can
Because
do baking.
yes, I am. Yes, ma'am. I am to decide to cook. Mama never told me I will cook because I am the only one to decide because she told me before that if they want to eat because they have 8 members of the family. That's why they are having working outside. So if they going home, they are need to eat lunch. Yes, ma'am.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay, I appreciate because you say you can do baking. Because we don't know Middle East food, we most of the family in Hong Kong, we will eat Chinese food,
Yes,
Cantonese
ma'am.
food, and but the kid like baking, like pizza,
Yes, ma'am.
cupcake.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, ma'am. I like also kids, ma'am, because I love teaching them how to speak in English, specifying the numbers, colorings. I'll do that for my um
The kid.
taking care of the children there, ma'am.
Okay. So
Especially speak in English.
yeah, you can
Yes,
teach the
ma'am.
kid English and you can learn Cantonese together.
Yes, ma'am.
May I know about your experience in Philippines? Which year?
Yes, ma'am. 2006 until 2008, ma'am, in the Philippines, 2 years.
Oh,
Three
okay.
member of the family, 1 year old, and one couple, and two pets. Yes, ma'am, cat.
Cat.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. Um, okay. If you still have the cooking photo, like your cupcake, pizza, do you have the cooking
Yes,
photo
ma'am.
in your phone?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Okay, so
But
after
I
this
don't
call,
have. Yeah. Yeah, oh,
mhm,
okay, ma'am. Okay,
can
no
you send to
problem, ma'am.
me?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
It's
No
okay.
problem.
Okay. Okay. Can I ask you one question? Like, if you come to Hong Kong, maybe you need to sleep with the kid. Is this okay for you?
It's okay, ma'am. No problem for me. If
Okay.
they need me, I will sleep. If I will sleep to them. I
Okay.
also know how to taking care a newborn baby, ma'am, because since birth I take my baby for 4 years until since birth, ma'am, 4 years.
Mm,
Yes, my own
yeah.
baby, ma'am.
Very
Yes.
nice. And I want to ask a question like, if you need to sleep with a newborn baby, but the newborn
Yes,
baby
ma'am.
keep crying at the midnight, so what will
Yes,
you
ma'am.
do?
It's okay for me. When the baby is crying, I'll check his temperature first. If she or he is not feeling well, of course, that's very important. Or the baby is crying because um, she hungry or the diaper is wet or she is teething like that, mom. That's why they
Mm,
are crying. That's the possible reason why they are crying. But I'm willing to do this for them, mom, so that they are to comfort the baby.
Yeah, so you're willing to wake up. Maybe your baby also
Yes,
need to wake
ma'am.
up.
No problem. Of course,
Okay.
ma'am, because I feel I am a mother. Yes, ma'am. I
Okay.
am really.
Yes, and how about if you find that the kid is not feeling well, maybe high temperature, what will you do?
Yeah, high temperature. Yes, ma'am. If it's the temperature is above 37, I inform my employer immediately so that they know because maybe the baby is having allergies for the medicine. First, I will immediately inform first for my employer before I will
Mm.
give the medicine for them. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you're very well experienced. Okay, thank
Yes,
you so
ma'am.
much for your time. Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay, okay,
Bye
ma'am. Bye
bye.
bye. See